This is an orientation to the Scajaquada closure traffic control plan provided by Go Bike Buffalo for the closing of the Scajaquada between the I-190 and the Kensington Expressway in the city of Buffalo. There are a few basic tools here. The first is you can navigate the map by scrolling on your touchpad or with your mouse. You can also hold the left key down on your mouse and pan across the map and zoom in. You can change the base map of the map by going to this icon here in the upper left and selecting the base map of your choice to assist you. It will change automatically, or you can go back to the aerial photography, which is the imagery map. These are the layers that are included in this map: the actual traffic control devices, the detour for the eastbound 198, the detour for the westbound 198, and the channelization devices, which are the linear features such as cones and drums. Here is the legend to those items as well. The information about the signs can be accessed by clicking on the sign itself. This particular sign that I clicked on includes one of 5 signs. The first being the directional area. These are the MUTCD descriptions and the sign size, for example. And if you can scroll through the different signs on this particular assembly for the detour. This is the 2 sign, the state route sign with the state route of 198 and the sign size. And the assembly also includes the west sign and the detour sign itself on the top of the assembly. The path of the detour is shown here. In this case, both the eastbound and westbound are in the same alignment, so you can turn one or the other off to see which way the eastbound goes this way and the westbound goes. This is for routing westbound traffic. The data is also accessible by the attribute table. If you can click this bottom arrow here, it opens up the attribute table. You can sort by device type, any of the column headings. You can also filter the map to identify a particular feature. If you wanted to find all the barricades, for example, you could apply this filter, and there are you can unfilter. This by default filters the map by the extent, or you could turn that on or off here. So there are 60 barricades in the project, and those are shown here. You can zoom to those individual by selecting one of them and then click zoom to. You can disable the filter as well by clicking this X, and it deletes the filter. You can also export all the features to a CSV. The filter is available for the traffic control device or the delineation or the channelization. You could look for all the cones, for example, where device is a cone, and There are 5 areas that show where the cones are. Those are the lines, but we include the length of the taper, or the length of the area to be covered by cones, and we also do a calculation based on their spacing. So this particular feature would require 20 cones. So that is a brief overview. We also include the ability to edit, print, and measure, and go to a particular bookmark, which will zoom you to a particular area, and that's it.